What are you eating, Paris?
I don't know.
I just told you.
Crumpet?
Crumpet? Bis?
Ta?
Show.
Show.
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Good girl. Pistachio.
Pistachio.
It's very yummy, isn't it? Show Tita and Tita how you open it there.
I'll show you guys. That's how I can do it.
Who's got bigger muscle? Mommy or Daddy?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Who's got a bigger one?
Daddy.
Why is that?
Because it's such a strong.
Because he's so strong and he goes to
The gym.
Hello, we have to wait until we get home. Guess we can't make a mess in the car.
I'm gonna spill it. I was gonna eat it.
Oh, you're not gonna spill it. Sometimes accident happens, honey. So maybe we'll try to avoid. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, give them mommy a kiss.
But I want puppet. We're going to go home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home now.
I don't want to steal it. I meant time.
Yeah, that's right. Because we don't want a dirty car.
It's because we'll buy a new car.
We'll have to buy a new car. We don't have money anymore.
I have my new car now.
Yeah, this is a new car.
That's for us.
It's for us.
That's not for Phoenix. Phoenix will punch it way hard.
Oh, it's not for Phoenix. It's for Paris. And for? Who's gonna sit there?
Celine.
Celine. Hi guys! Magandang hapon. Welcome back
My channel.
to our channel. Come, show Tita and Tito what you're having.
I'm having Skittles.
Skittles. Where did you get that from, honey?
Chops.
Shops. Who got that for you?
Daddy.
Daddy. And did you say thank you? Where's Lola, nak?
In the shop.
She's in the shop?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, nag-lunch break kanina itong mag-ama, guys. Kasama yung kanyang lola. Hindi na ako sumama. You know the reason. Kasi hinihingal na si mami nyo kapag naglalakad. And then, uwi sila. Sila na lang dalawa. Tapos yung tatay niya, pagka-uwi, nasa telepono. So, hindi ko makausap. What's Lola doing at the shops?
Buying some fries again.
What? Buying what?
Fries.
Rice?
Surprise.
A surprise? Buying a surprise?
This again.
Oh, lucky girl.
Yeah, I'm gonna have both. I'm gonna have both.
You're gonna have both? You're such a lucky girl. Show me your outfit. What are you wearing today?
This one.
That one. Oh, who gave you that shoes?
Little trap.
Oh, Tito Trent. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You're so big. Alam niyo guys, isa din sa rason hindi ako sumama kasi I feel tired na. Umalis kasi ako kaninang umaga. Meron tayong appointment. Yung ating 38 point something days appointment with the midwife. So, 2 weeks ago nung pumunta ako, tinanong nila ako kung gusto kong yung telehealth lang, yung video call lang na meet up, catch up, ganun, or gusto kong pumunta ng ng clinic nila. And I opted na pumunta ng clinic nila kasi much better kasi yung nakakausap nyo talaga yung midwife face to face, ganun. Naitatanong mo kung anong gusto mo itanong and all. Kaya yun yung pinili ko. Even though medyo mahirap na kasi gaano na ba kalaki ang ating tiyan? Naglinis-linis na lang ako dito sa bahay. Naglaba. Sobrang dilim. Naglaba and all. And para medyo okay na yung natin, bahay natin. And then, after mga after half an hour siguro, aalis kami ni Baby Paris. Pupunta kami ng pipick upin namin yung bathtub support para kay baby Celine. So, kahapon pala, nag-vlog ba ako kahapon? Pumunta kami ng baby bunting kasi yun na nga, para bilhin yung mga kulang para sa, sa tingin ko ay kulang para sa arrival ng ating baby girl. Pumunta kami ng baby bunting and medyo may kamahalan nga, sabi ng ng mama ni daddy. Kaya yun. So, nagtingin-tingin na lang ako sa Facebook Marketplace. Meron silang cheap, guys. At sabi ko, hindi naman talaga namin kakailanganin yan. Like, for, the lifetime. Sa lang, ngayon lang na kailangan ng baby. Kailangan ni baby Celine yung ganun. Alam niyo ba, nakakala ko talaga ay manganganak na ako today. Hello. Hello, my princess. Can you give mama one? Kasi nga, diba, kay Paris before, to siya, yung due date niya, 14th of March, tapos lumabas siya ng 4th of March. So, ito siya, due date ni baby Celine ay 14th of August, tapos ngayon ay 4th of August. But, you can't really compare pregnancy, guys. Iba't iba talaga yung pregnancy, kaya, and although, nafe-feel ko na yung false labor, ganun, pero wala pa rin talaga. Kaya, pinatanong nga ng mama ni Daddy Mike sa akin, sa midwife, about, yung carer's leave. Kasi nga, diba, carer's leave yun siya kasi siya yung mag-aalaga, siya yung magdadala sa amin sa ospital at siya yung mag-aalaga kay Paris while I'm in labor. Maaga yung punta niya dito kasi we can't really predict kung kailan lalabas si baby Celine. So, yung ginawa niya kasi, guys, nag-leave siya sa work, parang annual leave for 1 week yata. And then, the rest, tinanong niya kung pwede bang makakuha ng carer's leave. Pero sabi ng midwife, guys, hindi sila makapagbigay ng, talaga yung carer's leave talaga na parang bultuhan, yung 1 linggo, ganun. Makakapagbigay lang sila ng certificate of attendance kapag nakita nila yung mama niya sa ospital, ganun, makakapagbigay sila ng certificate. Kaya nga sabi ng mama niya, baka nga siguro sobrang napaaga yung pagpunta niya dito kasi sabi ng midwife ko, may appointment ako with my midwife again in 2 weeks time. And that is kung hindi pa lalabas ang ating baby girl. Kasi every fortnight naman talaga yung... Are you okay na? Every fortnight naman talaga yung appointment. So, from now... And then, 2 weeks later, may appointment tayo if, Celine decided to stay there longer. Sabi ng mama ni Daddy Mike sa akin kanina, maybe napaaga daw yung punta niya. Kung uuwi naman daw siya muna, baka naman, pag uwi niya, doon ako mag-labor, diba? Hindi kasi napipredict, guys. Ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo talaga maplano. Unless, parang i-induce ka, ganun, diba? Kasi, napag-usapan namin ng midwife ko kanina na after 40, kasi 40 weeks, diba, lalabas na yung baby. But they will give you another, maybe 1 week and 5 days, ganun, to have the baby inside your tummy. And then after that, hindi pa talaga kusang lalabas yung baby, ay i-induce ka na. Normally, sabi naman ng midwife na, especially with, second or third babies, ganun, hindi na talaga lumalampas ng 40 weeks. So, we'll see how it goes. What did you say? Key? Toes. Did I say it right? Princess? Did I say it right? Let's go na pa. We gotta go pick up baby Celine. Bathtub. Thank you. Are you ready?
Sure. Is it in the car? I want to spill it.
Are you sure you're not gonna spill it?
I'm gonna put it in my chair.
Where are you gonna put it? Where are you gonna put it? Beside you?
No.
What was that?
No.
Okay.
If you do,
pangalungat na.
if you just go into,
Your nose will bleed again.
there's an actual, I think,
Remember last time?
No. There's not bleeding in my finger.
Remember last time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was bleeding, yeah?
Look, there's no bleeding in my nose
In
again.
cards, and
Look,
I don't
see?
actually use PCS, but I'm pretty
Boogers
I know
only?
that- I know when cards
Boogers.
use cards.
But there's nothing in my nose.
There's nothing in your
There's always
nose.
a lot of confusion
There's-
about what
there's
kind
no-
of investigations do as opposed
There's
to what
mosquitoes
card
in my
disputes do.
nose.
Sorry.
Mosquitoes
I know-
are here.
Give me one, please.
There's a card disputes, there's card inquiries.
Oh, give me a red one. What's your red?
Goes through the court.
In my
They'll
mouth.
they'll be able to advise exactly what is the card.
Oopsie.
It's right
Ask
there.
guys just for future reference.
Thank you.
So obviously there's confusion.
Do you like it?
Then you like it.
I like it. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. That's my
This is
favorite.
the right number. Yeah, this is the right
Are
number, I
there?
can tell you.
What color is your favorite?
Really?
Yeah, because instead of
Feels
the
Red?
card itself, it goes through the floor because they use it for.
Come on, let's go so we can see baby Celine's bath.
No, like no.
Tell
like,
Tita Auntie
like,
to the
like,
color of the bath.
People get frustrated like, nah, man, like
Pink?
Pink, and
you know
it's
what I mean? Like it's a card dispute,
brown.
and there's an investigation team. It sounds like if I was-
What's the print?
I was using common sense. I go to an investigation team.
Blue.
The print is Mickey.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Not Mickey.
Sorry, have a look.
Mickey.
Mickey.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Where's Mom, Daddy?
The shops.
I thought she's coming home in Paris.
Dad, you want
No, I
some?
told her like I told you to take Paris anyway,
Okay.
so like you can. Thank you. I told her.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Naka-color tayo si Daddy Mike. What did you say?
I told her she can go to the gym and that, well, so you can take Paris to Mulgrave.
Yeah.
Baby, say ski.
Ski. Huh?
Skittles.
Skittles.
She's teaching you
Thank
how
you.
to say it. Ski?
Oh, say ski.
Ski?
Okay, I want to say ski.
Okay.
Say ski, my
Ski?
toes.
Skittles.
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 Yeah, you made it work.
You made it work? Hmm? Did I say it right?
Yeah, you do say right.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, teacher Paris.
I did right too.
Yeah, you did.
They did.
Nakdalaga kay kada na mong buhok na ko. Ay, panaana na ko. Bahala gubot. Kabi, go,
Go,
bot. Gubot.
good.
Gubot buhok.
Good.
Go,
Go,
bot.
boot,
Bo,
boot,
hook.
help.
Gubot buhok.
I don't know.
What are you eating, Paris?
I don't know.
I just told you.
Crumpet,
Crumb. Pis.
fish,
Ta.
ta,
Show.
show,
Pistachio.
fishes, show,
Good girl. Pistachio.
fishes, show.
It's very yummy, isn't it? Show Tita and Tita how you open it there.
I'll tell you guys. Like this.
Come on, tell Tita and Tita, like, this is how you...
Did it.
Yeah. Here, look in the camera, tell them.
That's how I can do it.
And show what's inside. Ta-da! Say, I love pistachio.
I like fishes, show. My one side.
That's pistachio. It's very good for your body. And your skin.
On my nose,
And your nose.
eyes,
Eyes.
hands, it will make the eyes inside.
It will make you grow your hair longer.
My hair is already long.
It is. Very long.
But my hair is not in the floor.
Why, if you keep eating, that will happen.
I'll shrink.
You'll be really strong. like you do gymnast. See? Got muscles, like Daddy. Does Daddy have muscles?
Are you strong?
I'm strong, yeah?
Yes, you are strong.
Big? Go big? Oh! Big muscles.
Big muscles.
Who's got bigger muscle? Mommy or Daddy?
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Who's got a bigger one?
Daddy.
Why is that? Why does Daddy have bigger muscle? Because?
Because it's so strong.
Because he's so strong and he goes to
The gym.
yeah. And Mommy doesn't go to the gym, that's why.
I go to the gym.
If you go to the gym, you have muscles like Daddy.
I have muscle like Daddy.
Yeah.
Skittles. This is Skittles.
Healthy Skittles.
Nom 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 nom.
Hey, we have to go now, eh? Because the lady is waiting there. Let's check how far. It's a special water bottle.
That's the little one.
Yeah, because it's Lola's. Say bye-bye, Daddy ka.
Mommy, can we buy one for me? The little one only.
Little one? Okay,
The
we can.
little bottle like that.
We can go have a look. No, if we go now, we might get to the shop while they're still open. Go see. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Come here.
Bye, Daddy.
Come say bye-bye properly. Run.
Bye, Daddy. Where's your jacket? Put the jacket on.
Bye.
I love you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Say bye.
See you, Paris. See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon. We'll go get Celine's. What are we getting now for Celine?
Top.
Bathtub.
Bye. Swimming.
We're dreaming. Andiyan na naman si Lola. Say hi, Lola. Okay. Did you wave, Nak? Say bye-bye, Lola. Bye-bye. Next week. Ano? Girl. Another girl. Say bye-bye. Tatanong siya kung saan ba daw. Hindi kasi siya nagsasalita ng ano guys, ng English. Careful. Anak, pansin ako. Junk mail girl. Open. Nah, that's not yours. Wait, that's not yours, anak. Yeah. Junk mail man. Ali.
Mommy, I just want some in my one. Also, to give it to me.
You want Tita to give it to you? Ali na. He's delivering more.
I want delivering to my house.
Ali na, katugnaw na kay nak.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So na-pick up na namin yung ating bathtub. At tingnan nyo, nasyulongkoy na ang ating baby girl. Kakapark ko lang dito sa harapan ng Filipino shop guys. Naawa akong gisingin. Oh, hala, nakamata. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. Kasi magko-close na yung Filipino shop pa. Nak, we're gonna go to the Filipino shop na? Huh? Okay. Alright. What is it na?
Right there.
Mommy! Mommy, kakalabas lang namin from the shop, guys. Ah. Sabi niya, who put that there? Ito yung ating, Do you like it?
Yeah, it has stickers.
It has stickers. Na Mickey Mouse stickers. At, ayan, ang ating napamili. Isang karton na pangkabuhayan showcase. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag gawin namin, guys. Move back! Ito ang tulog, nakagising na siya. Nakabit-bit na ng ano, yum-yum. Okay, get in the car now.
Will you open this one and eat it?
Of course, my love.
I want to do it.
It looks like uulan na. What is it now?
I like this.
You like that one? You gonna show it to Daddy?
Yes. I
Good
can
girl.
wait. That's on summer.
Do you need help?
No, thanks. I did it.
Oh, okay. Good girl.
I'm a good girl.
You are a good girl. Very good girl you
I'm
are.
a good girl and I have this one.
Yeah, that's yummy too.
Yes.
Are you gonna share it with Mommy later?
Later I will go home.
Okay.
I'm not open.
Are you going to give Mama one later, Nak?
Later.
Hello, we have to wait until we get home. Guess we can't make a mess in the car.
I'm spill one. I was gonna eat it.
Oh, you're not gonna spill it. Sometimes accident happens, honey. So maybe we'll try to avoid. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, give them Mommy a kiss.
But I want open.
Shoop.
Like the one that pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Boop, 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 boop. Like that? You're gonna show it to Lola Karen?
Yes, we're going to go home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home now.
I
Sit
don't
down.
want to steal it. I meant time.
Yeah, that's right. Because we don't want a dirty car.
Just because we'll buy a new car.
We'll have to buy a new car. We don't have money anymore.
I have my new car now.
Yeah, this is a new car.
That's for us.
It's for us.
That's not for Spinach. Spinach will punch away hard.
Oh, it's not for Phoenix. It's for Paris. And for? Who's gonna sit there?
Celine.
Celine, that's right.
What's Mary going to see?
Oh, she can
Mary-
sit in the middle.
Here.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm a long arm.
You can still cuddle her. She's got long arms. Okay, put your hand in. Thank you. The other one.
I can reach it now.
Oh, yeah, you have to sit properly, anak.
Okay.
Thank you. We're gonna go home now. So see you later, Tita and Tito.
See you later, Tita.
Time check! 5:30 ng gabi, guys. 5:30 ng hapon. Ngit-ngit. Andito pa kami sa sasakyan. Tingnan nyo. May kausap si Paris. Hindi kami lumabas kasi umuulan pa. So dito muna kami sa harap ng bahay. Oh. Chika-chika na lang muna kay Tita. What's Tita's name, Nak?
Mimi.
Mimi. Bitita?
No, I'm
Minggay.
Elsa.
I'm Elsa.
I'm Elsa. You're not Elsa.
I'll cook it. I'm not eat.
You're Tita Minggay.
Tita's not being nice.
Tita's not
Mommy
being nice.
Shalene.
What are you gonna do?
Paris. Say Mommy Shalene.
And
Paris.
hello, Corella.
Elsa.
Hello,
Tita's
Corella.
Hello, babe. Mommy Shalene.
She's calling the witch. Okay, go.
Hello, Rich.
Tita's not being nice.
Tita's not being nice. Okay, I'll come.
Nya. Ito na tanak. Hi, Mac. Karam lang mo ko?
Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, guys.
Hi kayong yung life ulan sa lantay. Higdag sa lantay.
Hi, guys, too.
Oh, you wanna say hi, guys, too? Okay.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Hi, guys.
Yes, na siya karon. Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel.
You're gonna see again.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, everyone. It's now 11 o'clock at night. What are you doing?
Hello. I'm gonna say hello.
Pongo said hello.
Yes, here it is.
Aren't you saying hello? How about you? Say hi, Tita and Tita.
Hi, Tita and Tito.
We're going to bed now. We're sleeping now. Ay, Paris, tadi ay. Anak na? Anak na?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, mag-ano lang tayo, guys. Mag-shoutout lang tayo konti and then we'll turn the light off. Kasi, tingnan niyo. Daddy, say hello.
Hello.
Shout-out. Do you do shout-out today?
Yeah, sure. Where from?
There's the name from there.
Alright.
Shout-out to...
Shout out to Rosemary Verzon, Jeannie Rose Parian Peralta, Emmy Garcia, Joan Ambre, Ruby Cortez, Sharon Ando, Nicole Abigail Gumana Santiago, Aldalsa Banache, Andrea Bautista, Melin Lorente, Calvin Boringnaga, Mercy Mate, Janzi Pinai Australia, Amy Manisani, Alana May Espera, Alina Rosales, Lovely Dogomero, Lolita Loquesta, Amai Vargas, Joanne Owano, Maygo, Pretty Jen, Sonia Stewart, Christine Namayan, Marika Castaneda, Fili El Amparo, G. Alcera, Belen De Jesus, and last but not least, Faith Paredo.
Ayan. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome.
Anyways, that's about it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget, come here now.
I want my first squishy fish. The first squishy fish.
Come here. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye.
come close here.
Give a big
Okay,
kiss.
close now.